Right there, look at that. Look at that, dude. There was like 6 little fish right there jumping. I got that on video, that's cool. There's a little bass, dude. Look at him. He just jumped over your lure. Oh yeah, it's a good one.
He's a pretty nice one.
Hold him out.
You got your tape?
Nope. I'd say he's about 2.5, 3. Right now he's a little slimmed out.
Let's see how big he is in your rod.
Give me some fish juice all over that thing.
He's probably 17 or 18.
That's what I was saying.